So you're seeing all these people talking about how they're working a 2-hour day, and you're super confused on how they're actually making money doing it. So was I. Let me break it down for you. If you're new here, my name is Robin, and I was a mom who had to say no to her children when they were growing up because of finances. I became a grandma, and I wanted to turn that around. I started watching this gal making money online, and I thought, I have so many questions. In reality, it's super simple. You just get a digital marketing program. This is like a college course that teaches you the skills to market anything on social media. But the cool thing is you get the master resale rights, which means you can market this on any social media platform and make 100% profit. You ask, how do you market it? Easy. You'll learn how to make content, go live, plug into training so that you can learn attraction marketing skills. That's the 2-hour workday. Then you put your phone down and you let your automation emails do all the follow-up. If you want some more info, go ahead and put yes in the comments.